Hello mates, so today I'm gonna talk about few websites in which you can earn $100 per day. So before starting the video, please subscribe our channel and don't forget to like our videos. Okay, the number one website is here is Peerfly. So Peerfly is the most fastest growing affiliate network in the world. So what does it do is actually CPA, and CPA means cost per action. So you can earn daily money by CPAs. We can see affiliates and advertisers, and if you can become an affiliate, you can also income money, and if you can be an advertiser, you can also earn money by just advertising. Okay, our number two website is Fiverr. So what Fiverr is actually a most famous passive income website in which we can work as if you want to. If you are skilled in graphics and design, you can work in here, or if you are skilled in online marketing, you can also work in there, and writing and translation, you can see all the skills, all the features are there. You can just work there if you're skilled in there. So this is the best and greatest way to earn money on websites. So you can see that get work done faster on Fiverr with confidence. You can have the payment protection, and it's guaranteed payment is released to the freelancer once you are pleased and approve the work you get. Okay, you can also know the price upfront, and they're here for you for 24/7. So you can see the marketplace, graphics and design, digital marketing, writing and translation, video and animation, music and audio, programming and technology, business and lifestyle. So nowadays lots of guys also doing animation and video working, or writing and translation. So that's the best way to do something on website. So actually I think you don't have to wander or roam in every kind of website. You can just work here. If you can work here, I think accurately you can earn money $100 to $1,000 per a day. So I think that's the best website I've ever known. So our number three website is Upwork. Now Upwork is kindly similar to Fiverr. Now what does it do? Actually it has lots of features, lots of skilled function are there. Now we can see hire freelancers, make things happen, grow a business through the top freelancing website. So now we can see that web developers, mobile developers, designers and creatives, writers, virtual assistants, customer service agents, sales and marketing experts, accountants and consultants. So there are lots of different of skills are there. You can just gather or your team, or you can just work alone here, and you can also earn $100 to $1,000 per day. So I think that website is so great, and you don't have to roam any other website, and you can just work here and earn $100 to $1,000 per day. Okay, now we can see that the most skilled functions are there. We can see the desktop software development, e-commerce development, game development, mobile development, QA and testing, scripts and utilities, web development, web and mobile designing. So there are lots of various of functions, various of features are here. All you have to do is just work here. So I want to say that you don't have to find or search any job from here, or you don't have to step out from your home, and you can work in at your home by searching job here. There are lots of opportunities they gave you, or you can work here. So I think that's the best idea to do here. Okay, our number three website is Canva.com. So what does it do, or what will you do in here? So basically you sign up or log in there and then publish anything. I think if you are a designer, you can just design from here. If you are a beginner or a just newbie, all you have to do is just sign up here, and you can just do whatever you want and earn your money. I think if you don't have any kind of skills to work, and you can just learn from here and just publish or post your work, and people will come here and buy your works. Okay, our number four website is auctions, GoDaddy auctions. So in this website there are lots of domain names, lots of offers. You can see there's $4,865. Okay, now you can see all the money, all the auction, and you can see the expired date here, and all you have to do is just pick up a domain, pick or buy a domain just like this, a cheap price domain, and you can sell this website, sell this domain at flippa.com up to $5,000. So it's up to you what will you do or not, but that's the best idea to do something, and you can earn $100 to $1,000 per day if you can accurately work here. I hope you understood what I've said. I think all you have to do is just pick a domain, pick a cheap domain here and buy this domain in flippa.com, and you can earn $100 to $1,000. So that's the way to earn something. Okay, our next website is flippa.com. so in this website is business are bought and sold, and Flippa helps you to list faster, connect with buyers, and sell your business to someone just as passionate as you. So you can work as sell my business or browse business. So I told you before that you can buy some domains from cheaply and sell your domain here, sell your business here. You can sell any kind of business, even if you have Shopify shops, or if you have any kind of online shop, anything, just you can sell here and earn your precious money. So our next website is website. Okay, now Tuda.co is actually a template website or platform in which you can make anything, platform or templates for the customers. Actually it's free and totally free. You can earn daily money from here, and it's easy money. So I think if you can work here accurately, or you can build platform or build website from here, you don't have to look back past, you don't have to worry about money or anything. Do you know that there are plenty of thousands and thousands of websites are being made in every day? So what will you do is just actually build a website and be the member of the people there who made the website and earn money. So I think that's the best idea I've known, and I have told you how to earn money, $100 to $1,000 per day. So transcribe.me, and you can see there are lots of features. First of all, we have to see 3 types of services: translation, speech recognition, transcription. High quality speech to text starting at $0.79 per audio minute. Automated transcription starting at $0.10 per audio minute. Turn audio and text into another language quickly and accurately. So if you want to know anything about pricing, then just click on this site, and I think you will get the thing. And you can large project, recurring need, or special requirements, get in touch with us or for special rate. So what is Transcribe? Transcribe is an outsourcing website in which you can earn money from daily and just doing audio translating. Fast and accurate transcriptions as low as 0.79 per minute. Upload audio files from any device, web link, or cloud storage with ease. Most transcriptions are completed within 24 hours. So here I think you can use your phone, Android or iOS, or your computer or laptop, anything. Just upload audio files and get your money. So now we can see fast, draft, standard, and verbatim. So these are the options of transcribes, and I think there are 3 different options. Now how it works: we make ordering your transcripts quick, simple, and painless. Upload your content, easily drag and drop your audio into our online portal or record through our smartphone application. Transcribe Me Magic. In no time your order will be processed, and our platform will intelligently route your audio to the most qualified transcribers. You will be notified as soon as transcripts are completed, and will be available to download in your preferred output. What makes us better: our services are tailored to meet your specific needs. It's so easy to use, highest accuracy, best value, secure and confidential, fast turnaround, customer support, around the clock customer support, as well as live chat directly on the. Transcribe Me has done a terrific job in helping us meet a tight deadline for demanding client. They helped us tailor the transcripts to our particular needs, and were always available, helpful, and we use TranscribeMe for transcripts and the quality has been great. Turnaround speed is fast and the process to upload files is very simple, very responsive, but lengthen episodes. TranscribeMe has provided me with quick, accurate textual feedback from lengthy data-filled verbal conversation. TranscribeMe has also allowed me to catalog and create searchable database of quality research with valuable insight into new product development and client feedback. Really good service. We conduct a lot of interviews and sometimes need to look for specific phrases which can take hours upon hours. TranscribeMe has made it easy to find these phrases, which saves me time and increase my day-to-day efficiency. Tahir Aliyev, Chinese channel. Our last quote is accurate, fast and reliable. I couldn't be happier with the services provided by TranscribeMe. The process to upload files is amazingly simple and the transcription output is of the highest quality. TranscribeMe's customer service is superb and the turnaround time absolutely can't be beat. I highly recommend TranscribeMe for any transcription needs. Robin Tremblay, Market and Research and Consult. Now we can see trusted partner to hundreds of brands and worldwide: Oracle, Facebook, Ipsos, Pandora, Cisco, Harvard University, BCG partners, KMR, Medallia, BNSF Railway. So these brands are pretty much famous and they are partnership with this Transcribe. Okay, now if you want to sign up as a client, you can sign up as a client and then buy things from them. But if you want to upload something or if audio from your Android or laptop or PC, whatever you have, you can sign up from this button as transcriptionist. After click on this button, there will view a new link. So mate, just click on one button and then create your own account and become a paid transcription today. So let me read these reviews for you. Copy and cost and time effective. I paid for the least expensive option and received exactly what was promised. If faster and through, there were spelling mistakes, but not too many. I plan to send at least 5 more for more transcription. The timing can't be beat. I was excited when I received my transcript back after 1 day of submitting it. It was faster than I expected and the quality was excellent. I have used TranscribeMe before and certainly will do again. Thank you. Quick and good quality quote transcript, accurate and quickly delivered. I purchased this service for my master's dissertation and it was very helpful. From the beginning, customer service was responsive and informative. The transcription was accurate and quickly delivered. In sum, I got great value from TranscribeMe. Quick turnaround. The service was prompt. Excellent service. Excellent friends. Transcription. I love TranscribeMe. So mates, I think there are lots of reviews and there are lots of good reviews, good aspects from the people. So you don't have to worry. All you have to do is just work on this website and get your money as much as you can. Thank you for watching my video.